Let's go. The history of the universe began with the Big Bang, which occurred approximately 13.8 billion years ago. The Big Bang theory suggests that the universe began as an extremely hot and dense state, with all the matter and energy in a single point. Within fractions of a second after the Big Bang, the universe experienced a period of exponential expansion known as cosmic inflation. This rapid expansion caused the originated as a singularity, a point of infinite density and temperature, which expanded rapidly, cooling and forming subatomic particles, atoms, and eventually stars and galaxies. For the first few 100 million years after the Big Bang, the universe was a hot, dense soup of particles and radiation. As it cooled, the first atoms formed, allowing light to travel freely through space for the first time. This event, known as recombination, left a signature in the cosmic microwave background radiation, which can still be observed today. Over billions of years, galaxies formed and evolved through the gravitational pull of dark matter and dark energy. Stars were born and died, releasing heavy elements into the universe, laying the foundation for life. On one planet, Earth, life emerged and evolved over billions of years, leading to the rise of intelligent beings capable of contemplating the history of the universe. Today, humans continue to explore and ponder the mysteries of the cosmos, from the origins of matter and energy to the fate of the universe itself. Subscribe, share, like, comment. Thank you for watching.